Today we're making a zesty zucchini salad with a citrus twist. Slice zucchini into thin rounds. A mandolin works best for even slices. Marinate the zucchini by squeezing orange and lemon over the top. Then add apple cider vinegar, pepper, and salt. Combine with your hands and let it sit for at least 15 minutes. Meanwhile, toss almond flakes until golden. Then set aside. Chop the red onion finely and then slice some spearmint. For the dressing, mix the red onions with drained zucchini juices. Toss arugula in most of the dressing. Keep some aside and add olive oil and spearmint. Combine with your hands thoroughly. Layer your seasoned arugula and then top with marinated zucchini. Drizzle the leftover marinade and a sprinkle of salt and pepper. Finish with a swirl of olive oil and toasted almonds. Serve immediately and enjoy. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.